Hello, I'm Asha Sridhar, Head of Food Safety with TUV India Private Limited. TUV India is a German-based company. We are in the service from the last 150 years, offering certification, training and also laboratory services to one and all. We have got more than 7,000 satisfied customers in India, and we are globally present in 70 countries worldwide. We also have 30 centers all around India. Primarily, we started off with pressure vessels certification, and we are into all services in the industry, right from steam boilers to nuclear power plant presentations, and we are also certification automobile industries, IT sectors, health, and also the food industry in a very big way, food and the feed industry. Primarily, we offer all kind of food safety certifications, right from ISO 22000 to BRC, FAMIQS, especially for the feed industry. FAMIQS is also the gateway to the global EU centers and US centers, where you can sell your products and your feed ingredients to the global EU market. And we also have our laboratory testing division, which do a whole lot of testing for the food, feed and the agri-based commodities. We're also testing into pharma and the industries also. We provide basically customized services. We also provide value additions and certify them for the other standards like 9001, and we also provide a whole lot of global solutions to them. We have our R&D laboratory at Pune, at Senapati Bapat Marg, and it's also in the hub of the academic center of India, and we have very big customers there with us, like Volkswagen, to name a few, Mahindra and Mahindra, TCS worldwide. Yes, I think we are very much marching ahead in the field of feed additives, because India being 70% still agricultural based economy, we feel that there is a whole lot of need for testing services for the products what are given to our poultry, fish and also to the animal husbandry, and we can provide one-stop solutions to these clientele. Basically, our objective is to add value additions and provide excellent customer service with correct and value-added product testing as per the client requirements. Aims are to be the #1 in the global market for food and feed testing.